In this video, I will show you how to see all WeChat channel DMs or customer messages or inquiry from your WeChat channel. Let me show you how. Open up your WeChat app. Click on Discover. Proceed to Channels. Click on the profile icon from the top. Click on Messages. You have access to all WeChat DM from WeChat channel in the sections right here. Go ahead and open up the contact to fill the message. And here you go. You can reply the message from here and you are done. With that, you are able to see and track all your WeChat DM direct from WeChat channel. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how to use your WeChat account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.